Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check in Malaysian airline online, right? So this is very easy thing. I've just made a very simple guide you can just follow and get your solution. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to visit this website, which is of course the Malaysian airline, the official website of Malaysian airline. On the top right, you will see a lot of option, as well as you will also see a lot of option here. Now the second thing you have to do, you have to select check-in, look for a check-in option usually located at the top of the homepage under the travel info, right? So let's just find our check-in. So as you can see here, this is the option of check-in. Right now here it has just gave us a few information that you can perform a web check-in before 48 hours or 90 minutes before your flight. So this is very important. So here you have to just enter your ticket number or booking reference number and your last name, and then just click on check me in. Right, so in just few seconds it will just give you one more option that you have to, once you have entered your booking details, it will ask you, once you have entered your booking details, the system will display your upcoming Malaysian airline flight. Select the flight you want to check in for. Right now, after that, they will ask you to follow the on-screen instruction to complete the online check-in process. This may include selecting your seat, again baggage, or obtaining your boarding pass. If you want to change your seat, or if you just want a window seat, you can also do it from here. Now, there's some of the check-in also required to print out your boarding pass. After completing the check-in, you can just download it, and you can just also have a printout because it's very useful most of the time. And that's it. So if you have checked bags, you have dropped them off of the designated Malaysian airline baggage drop-off counter at the airport, then you can proceed directly to the security checkpoint with your boarding pass. Right, so this is very easy thing to do. I hope you found this video very useful. Hit a subscribe.